FungiClear Phrena is marketed as a natural solution for nail fungus. According to the website, it claims to get rid of nail fungus naturally with visible results in just a few weeks. It also says it can heal damaged nails and prevent the infection from coming back. The product claims to penetrate deep into the nail and kill fungus at the root while repairing damaged nails using ingredients like vitamin E and copper peptides. On top of that, it is advertised as 100% natural and free from harsh chemicals, which is something many people look for when dealing with long-term nail issues. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, let's talk about the red flags that raise serious questions about FungiClear Phrena. One of the biggest concerns is that there's no clinical proof provided anywhere on the website. There are no real human clinical trials or published scientific studies showing that this product can actually cure nail fungus. For a condition that is medically recognized and difficult to treat, this lack of evidence is a major issue. Another red flag is the unrealistic treatment claims being made. The product says it kills nail fungus at the root and penetrates deep into the nail. In reality, nail fungus is notoriously hard to treat, even with prescription medications. Such strong claims usually require strong medical evidence, which is completely missing here. The effectiveness of the ingredients is also overstated. Ingredients like tea tree oil and oregano oil do show antifungal properties in lab studies, but that does not automatically mean they can cure established nail fungus in real people. High-quality clinical evidence supporting these claims is very limited. The promise of very fast results is another concern. The website suggests visible improvement in just 2 to 3 weeks, but toenails grow very slowly. In most real cases, full recovery from nail fungus can take 6 to 12 months, even with proper treatment. These fast result claims create unrealistic expectations. There is also a lack of medical transparency. The product claims to be developed by a doctor, but there is no real name, no credentials, and no verifiable medical background provided. This makes it impossible to confirm whether any qualified medical professional was actually involved. The reality of nail penetration is another issue. The nail plate is thick and hard, making it very difficult for topical products to reach the nail bed where the fungus lives. Despite this, the product is heavily marketed as a deep penetrating solution without explaining how it overcomes this medical challenge. The doctor image used on the website also appears suspicious. It looks like a stock or possibly AI-generated image, which is commonly used in misleading marketing to create fake authority and trust. Overall, the marketing creates unrealistic expectations by suggesting nail fungus can be cured quickly and easily. Phrases like root cause, deep healing, and permanent solution are used without any solid scientific backing. Finally, there is no clear explanation of long-term effectiveness or what happens if the fungus comes back, which is very common with fungal infections. So, is FungiClear Phrena legit or a scam? Based on the lack of clinical proof, exaggerated claims, and misleading marketing language, this product should be approached with extreme caution. If you're dealing with nail fungus, it's always safer to consult a qualified medical professional before trusting online treatments that promise fast and permanent results.